Action.
Well, yeah, I'm blame them still, you know. They don't really understand how the ground run. Link King. That's it. Get back our work, brother.
Action.
I want you to fuck for job.
Ready, you know?
Alright!
She must have known, you know, I want you to fuck for Jack Lee. You think you never ready yet, like?
Action.
Yeah, but
Oh, sorry, me alone. Understand what you say still? You can't live for a road if you join, my friend. You hear what you just say? What you say? Oh, yeah.
that's an idea, you want.
Oh,
Right up.
man, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm going to be one thing a while ago. I'm going to get to all of that, my friend.
I remember
No, but I'm going to know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, dog.
I'm gonna play moments then, you do that.
Man must have the whole moment.
Yeah, hey.
Action.
Oh, this my cousin laugh. Come here.
I can't like that enough. I can't believe we can't. What is wrong with you?
I don't hear her come here, Tyler.
Get over here.
Get over here!
No. No, sir.
Action.
So I got my police friend. I'll bring you up on the dandara. What if? See that you even have flow again. That.
Say, dog, give me same energy, man. Dandara's
Dirty ground. Yeah, go.
Something alright.
Action.
Quick, I can't take care of that, man. Big head boy.
Shit.
I forgot.
Yeah, shit. My bad.
You know.
Something alright, yeah.
Action.
That me I try for doing nothing. But it come like say everywhere me go. Trouble I follow.
Trevor does follow you.
Oh, me?
Action.
No, you know. It's a real sister to me. You see me?
Action.
You know, say, you run a legitimate business now. Say you way out. Squander the right thing, Joe. You have your youth there.
Something alright.
Action.
Yeah, cause whatever should whatever
Nope.
Something alright.
Action.
me no know no king. But just no want to betray Carlton again. You understand? So
Maria walk over to the family to that place.
A few moments later.
Action.
I don't know still no king. But me
Super Sachin.
alright, go.
Action.
See, we get the place through a link. You see, and at this Carlton. Get the place through a link. And then Carlton draw some bad time.
Decide what you did do first.
Something alright, yeah.
Sir, aren't we supposed to get some report from Carlton and Tony? The fact that Tony might be linked with some other Asians.
Oh, me? Us? Me and you about that.
Sir, aren't we supposed to get information?
12 seconds later.
You know, I'm gonna chop you up. Stop that!
Action.
What? Nope.
Something alright.
Sir, could it be that?
Could it beat?
Could it be that?
Oh, yeah,
One beat?
Yeah, could it be that?
Realize you keep this up with an entire episode.
exactly.
All in all troops.
Sir, could it be that there's no?
It still so nice of me.
Yeah, that's a beat.
She was thinking of meeting her.
Could it be?
Action.
The next time you go dinner, I order dumpling.
No. Nope.
But sir, there is something that I discovered, and it's that Tony is buying other real estates in some inner city communities under a different company name, which might have been the reason for a lot of rivals. Sorry, boss, come again.